This is TempleOS 5-minute random code walkthrough episode 104, and I'm your host Terry Davis. And where did God take us to today? We are in To the Front, which is a tank game. So what this looks like is okay, so we have artillery, and there's a game called The Perfect General. That's a better game. This uses tank facing, like a game Stalin's Tanks that I had as a kid. I would like The Perfect General to be rewritten for TempleOS. I don't know. No, I don't care. What's strange is when the Cold War ended, normal people stopped taking interest. But yeah, StarCraft is popular in South Korea. I thought, oh, isn't that neat? They have video game sports. But that's because they have North Korea. It's not quite as, oh well. So we are in the unit initialization. So each type of unit has armor, an armor value. In most of these games you have either armored or infantry. And the weapons are effective with one number against armor, armored attack, and unarmored attack. I'm not very thrilled about this game. I would call it bland, as in not much fun. Just if you had a game and all you did was one-for-one exchanges, and there wasn't, if strategy didn't matter, so what we're doing here is storing a pointer to a sprite. If I hit Control T, it reveals, stands for insert binary, the tag, and the binary number. So the tag can be text if you want. It's not even colored. That's interesting. Okay, if you put brackets, it will automatically put the number. Oh, I lied. I guess if I put a 3, it corrects it to 2. The reason, now these numbers are not under your control, because if I just copied on the clipboard, and as it turns out, these are actually well, anyway, let's go trace this. Let's go to the source. So, well, anyway, this is the compiler treats it like a text string it's you know, if you had a text string, the compiler puts a pointer to the string value. If you have a text string, if you have an image, a sprite, all it is it's a pointer to a string value. Now it turns out it makes a copy of the sprite if you put it on a clipboard. So if you have to manage these on your own if you don't want copies. So you're free to change these back to I should probably explain this. I'm the only person on earth who knows how these work. Anyway, so let's go up to the source. So these sprites are at the top somewhere. Here they are. So those were insert binary. These are sprite SP, and they have the binary number. Now in this game, I tried to use the same sprite for two different colors. So you set the color ahead of time, and it draws a couple things with whatever color is set to, and then it changes the color. So it's not really set up for a we could make it more complicated, and I think we're going to make it less complicated. So I think the way you should do this is you should explicitly create cyan and purple versions. I don't think we want to make I don't think we want to make it more complicated with flexible colors, or I don't know what you want to call that. Anyway, so that's that.